AC and heat on the 14S shuttle van, very simple to use. The driver dash right up here is going to control the front fan, cold and hot, the direction that you want the air blowing. There's your AC button, there's your recirculation. It does have a rear AC, it's going to be located right above you. Make sure if you have passengers that you turn that on. It's basically the same dial as your fan and your hot and cold and where you want it coming out at. So very easy to use on the 14S shuttle van.